We had a good news and bad news for this car. So first, the bad news is the owner doesn't want to fix this car anymore. Just look at it, has so many things need to be repaired, so he doesn't want to spend more money in this car anymore, and he decided to buy a new car. But the good news is he sold the car to us for a very cheap price, so we can continue fixing this car. And as you seen on my previous video, the reason why this car stalled is we had a stuck alternator bearing, so it's in here. Do you see it? So you couldn't push the pulley. So for today we are going to remove the alternator, and we might gonna buy a used one from junkyard, because even me, I don't want to spend too much money in this car. I just want to fix it and give it to my wife, because my wife is learning how to drive. Okay, let's do it. So first thing first, so we need to remove all the connection. So it has two connection. This one, the thick wire, I think this is connected directly to the battery, and this is for your control. So let's try to press this thing. You could see that, yeah. Press it. There you go. That's the connector. And for this one, we need number 12. This number 12. Hold on. Okay. I already removed the number 12 bolt. I mean nut. So that's it. Now, hold on. Let me. Right there. So that's the connection. Now we got one bolt right there. That's also number 12. So let's remove that. Okay. So that's number 12. Let's loosen it. Right there, it has only two bolts that hold the alternator. The one in the bottom, and there's one more on the top. So let me try if I could. Oh boy, no. Also, it's so hard for me to film, but right there, you see it. Now as soon as we remove the one below, there's one more here on the top. So right there, right there. Also number 12. I think you could see it there. Let me, right there. There. Okay. Come on. I don't know, right there, the shiny. Okay. That's number 12. Not. Just remove it. Come on, come on. There you go. We're almost there. Come on. So I'm using number 12 socket and 3/8 ratchet. So we got one in the bottom and one on the top. I don't know if it's already. Come on, come on. Okay, I think that's already loose. Let me check it. Okay, so that's the front of the car. Okay. Alright. Do you see that bolt right there? Let's remove it. Come on, dude. And I also discovered something. I'm gonna tell you later. Alright. So that's the bolt. Okay. I also discovered. See that slat right there? So that's the bolt. You don't need to like push the bolt from here. So look at this. It's just on the top. Let's remove this alternator. And I also discovered we could not remove the alternator without removing the filter. So let's remove the filter. So that's right there, the alternator got stuck in there. So let's remove the oil filter. So we just remove the oil filter. Now let's try to get the alternator right there. Woohoo. Hold on, I'm gonna go underneath. Right here. Let's remove it over here. There you go. That's the alternator. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Let's put here. Let's put it here. Then let's examine it. So that's the alternator. So again, we didn't remove the bolt, but we're still gonna remove this because we're gonna use this one, I guess. So it has just like a C, like this, like a slot that you just sit this alternator. That's the alternator, and this is the problem. See this? Got stuck. It won't rotate. I don't know if I had a alternator already. Let me check. Let's go find some alternator over here. Holy crap. Let me remove this. I think there's... Oh boy. Oh, there's no way I could. It's a lot of... Oh well, but usually that pulley should be turning. I just want to show you a good alternator, but anyway. So this one should be spinning, so we need to go junkyard. I'm just gonna buy a used one. I don't want to spend too much money. And also, by the way, before I forgot, hold on, the one that I'm talking about, oh boy, I couldn't show it to you. There should be a lock, like, anyway, I'm gonna buy that thing because it's missing. I couldn't see it in here. No wonder this alternator was destroyed. Probably it's been, you know, getting tighter and tighter because there's no that adjustment thing. There is a adjustment, a metal adjuster, but it was missing there. Alright guys, we are here, the junkyard, GK auto parts store. I don't know if we are allowed to bring a camera. We're gonna go there and ask for used alternator. Okay. We got used one. This only for $100, so that's the old one. See this one I'm talking about. This one already ceased. One spin. This one, look at. All right, let's go home and put that in. Okay, so that's the used one that we are going to install. I already transferred the bolt from the old one to here, so everything is ready. And this is the one that I discovered. So see this thing in here at the back? This is the only diagram that I can show you. There is a like a bolt and a metal. This is the adjuster, actually they called it the adjuster. And over here, see this, there is a bolt, but unfortunately we don't have this anymore. Instead we got only this bolt, the smaller one, this. The one in here, the long one, we don't have it anymore. So temporarily I'm gonna put it back the way I remove it, and then let's see if the car will start, and then I'm going to search for this bolt, this adjuster. Hold on, I'm gonna show you a similar thing like this. So it looked like this, so you can adjust it, but these are different design. Okay, so I think that's the reason why this alternator got seized and the belt got snapped, because it doesn't have any lock adjuster anymore. They just put only this bolt and that's it. But anyway, I'm gonna look for this kind of, not really exactly like this, from here, like that, this in here. Okay, so let's put on this one. And also I did buy the belt, and I'm not gonna show you anymore how to install this because it's pretty much the reverse order. As soon as I put on this one, then I'm gonna start the car and let's see if our diagnostic is good. Actually, for sure this car will gonna start because we found out that there's no belt in here and the car is running before that. Okay, so I just wanna show it to you how we put it back. So I decided to like install it from underneath. So the way I put it back is like this. So the bottom is here, see this, that's the bottom. Okay, here, and this is the top, this is the connector. So on here, just insert it like that. There you go, now it's in. Alright, so I also changed the oil, and that's the belt right there, new filter. So everything is back there. Use alternator. And now let's try to start it. Okay, let's put back the battery. Come on, let's see if it's gonna work. Just do it like temporarily. Okay, let's get our booster, this one. Alright guys, I already set up all my tools, equipment in here. Jump start is ready. Now let's try to start the car. So park. Come on, yeah, go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woohoo. Nice. This. Let's see if it's. Oh yes, it's charging. Volts. Come on, over here. 14 volts. Starting now. Let's check the belt. That's the belt. All right. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. 14 volts. Alright, that's it. That's how you diagnose and fix a car with no crank, no start. And also it's a alternator replacement. So alright, that